Jahia, and I'm going to marinate the chicken for tomorrow. This is one whole chicken. This is 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is 4 tablespoons of suka in Tagalog. I'm gonna put two spoons of sugar. This is bitchin and magic syrup. And dinig na bawang.
Okay.
I'm gonna putting the chicken. Next,
Mix.
mix this. Okay. All.
Para matuto ka.
Next, suka. Niktik na bawang. Sugar.
Madami na yan. Okay, yan na yun. Dapat tablespoon, no? Medyo malaki kasi yan.
Okay na po. Okay na po. Sarap. 3. Okay.
Paminta.
Here. How many? 1? Yeah?
Para matuto ka. Sunod, ikaw malahat dyan.